Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. Today we got something to help you clean your man-mane. And gee, I wonder what we're going to be looking at. That's right, Skully's is back on the channel. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about what came in that box. Alrighty, all you viewers to be named later, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, get a couple quick housekeeping things out of the way. Number one, if you like what you're about to see, please go ahead and kill that thumbs up button. It's going to show some love and support for the channel. Number two, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to take one moment to speak directly to you. I want to say thank you so much for finding this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very flattered you're choosing one of mine. Now, for you first-time viewers, you're going to want to subscribe. Here's why. You attribute this channel to like a burning clown car. You're going to have a lot of fun. You're never exactly sure what you're going to see when I bring out a brand new video. Trust me, there's times I don't even know what I'm going to bring to my channel next. But it's always a lot of fun, and you know, I want to be in your suggested time feed. I want you getting notified. I want all that fun stuff. I want you to experience the joy that my other subscribers are. But with that being said, look down below. You can see a little channel watermark popping up. Click on that thing. Should bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out early. Okay, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at Skully's Aqua, Beard, and Body Soap. Now, I know it's just the package because it's been the current one up for a while, and some of you may remember that. But I love the fact with Skully's, the stuff doesn't come overly, I don't know, accessorized in their packaging. It's just simple, sweet, and beautiful. It really, truly is. I remember when I saw the Facebook ad for this thing, and they're like, man, here's something brand new. I went, okay. Because I am seriously heavily getting into beard soaps recently, so I had to bring it to the channel. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Skully's, that's okay. I'm going to give you some quick background info on them, all right? It's going to be weird on this one, because trust me, when I was doing the homework on this one last night, I was like, wow, there is so much packed into this one little bar of soap. It's almost just like, all right, you can find them over at www.skullysbeardoil.com. They are very proudly made in the USA out of Victorville, California. Now, they got founded in 2016 by an awesome dude by the name of Chris Bazooka. Hope I still got that right, Chris. Seriously, hope I still got your last name right. They do offer a money-back guarantee and free shipping on returns. What seriously attracted me to them, other than their very unique scent profiles that they put out, because like the first one I think was their M80 that I brought to the channel. And speaking of that, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care we've ever brought to the channel. You're going to find some quality stuff in there by Skully's. It was their mission statement, and it's style and personal care should not break the bank. They want to change the way you think about men's grooming products by delivering a premium quality product at a radically fair price. Hooked. If you're going to help save me money, you're going to make me look good, smell good, feel good, you got my, you got my bank. You got my money. Period. Okay. Now, this soap was the first one I ever used that was enriched with charcoal. I know. Charcoal, right? You're thinking grill, you're thinking that stuff on your face, what the heck? But I had to reach back and remember survival stuff. You know, how charcoal can be used to help, you know, make your tummy feel better. How it can help, you know, certain things, certain medicinal, you know, parts help make a great toothpaste, you know, to scrub out your mouth. But what got me is for your beard and, you know, your body and everything, charcoal basically unclogs your pores, absorbs odor and odor and dirt, and detoxifies, you know, your hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. I thought that was incredible. I'm like, okay, you're going to help clean up the man-mane and make it grow better? So, you know, just so. So like I said, with it being, you know, enriched with charcoal and all natural, it's awesome for sensitive skin, packed with vitamins and minerals and moisturizers that will leave your skin and beard clean and hydrated. I can attest to that. The first while I used it, and by the way, you can see it's pretty beat up in there because it has been the soap of choice for a while. And yeah, sorry for the water dripping out. Yeah, I had to pull that out of the shower a little bit ago because I almost forgot to bring it. for the video, and literally it's a big 5-ounce bar when it comes in. It fit almost perfectly in there with a little bit of having to pull it out with the plastic wrapping. When I'm using it, my beard felt different. My face felt different using it. It felt cleaner. It felt better. It felt better hydrated. It just felt like wow. When I was scrubbing it up, it literally reminded me of the Lather, of the same thing with every other beard soap I have brought, but more specifically the Boss Man Brands one that I brought to the channel. The lather, the texture, and how it felt in my hands all felt very, very similar. Sorry. I like this. I like the fact that this soap can help with eczema, psoriasis, acne, dandruff, beard drift, and other skin conditions. The scent on this thing is just a clean, masculine scent that really, really reminds you of like being out on the open sea, and I really got that. I got that oceany effect in my beard when I was using it. It wasn't huge over the top, but it was like a day at the beach kind of thing. Now, it has marine notes, crushed mint leaves, bergamot, tangerine, jasmine, and patchouli, kind of smell in there. It's also enriched with goat's milk, oat protein, and palm oil. Now, if you want the ingredients, there you go. All right. It's 5-ounce bar, gonna run you $10. And it's lasted me well, about 2 months. Because when I do scrubbing in the shower for, beard cleaning, I'll do a bar soap, and the next time I do a liquid soap. Then it's a bar soap, then it's a liquid soap. It's held up really well. It hasn't really lost its form like I've had with other soaps when they just sit in the little Boss Man soap container. And with my shower, for some reason, some of the other soaps just seem to break down quicker in there, and I don't know why. But this one has been amazing. It seriously has. It's been reviewed once over on, Skully's web store at a 5 out of 5 star rating. Oh yeah, the other stuff I forgot to mention, I'm sorry. They do have free shipping on all domestic orders. They will ship worldwide, if you're paying the shipping. They'll ship to you. Every order gets a free sticker and like a little vial of sample oil like you've seen in other ones that I brought to the channel. And I think that's really, really cool that they're giving you stuff here. Try this, try this, try that. I love this thing. I really do. I'm going to be reordering some more. I found one that I really, truly like. So it's also killing me that I still have a full shelf in my, closet upstairs that I have to go through because I bought them. I want to try them. I want to use them. But out of the ones I've used so far, seriously, Skully's has just been, Chris, man, it's a home run for me. It seriously, truly is. I love this thing, and man, you guys really hit it out of the park with this one. But here's the best part. And I love this part in every video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below. I want to know, have you used Skully's beard and body soap before? Have you had successes with it? Have you had failures with it? I want to know your stuff because your experiences are obviously going to be different than mine. And feeling beard is most importantly on every single product I have ever brought to the channel. That really determines if I'm going to bring stuff back again or it's just going to be given to somebody else. Hope that makes sense. All right. So we're just going to do this wrap up like we usually do because I want to keep this one quick, sweet and wonderful. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you've got lots of options out there on YouTube, and like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm seriously flattered for the time you gave me, and hopefully I earned more. If not, thank you for that time. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, my first question is why? And please don't leave me a comment like some people have recently. Oh, it's your YouTube voice. I hate it. Oh my God, like, the way you talk makes my brain hurt. You're the worst reviewer ever. Seriously, check the company's social media page, guys. I'm posting these things up there so y'all can have fun with them. All right? Really. But after you've left that comment, if you're not wanting to, here's something I want you guys to do. Look right down. I think it's like right down there. Okay? Going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. You're going to want to knock that out the way. After you've done that, please go ahead and destroy that bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up, I believe, over here. If not here, it's going to be over there, and the subscribe thing will be down there. But somewhere around there, you're going to see 2 videos and a subscribe button, all right? Those videos are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at, Skully's Aqua beard soap. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.